Man, look what we've got today. I'm so excited. A Lucerne Blue 70 Trans Am Ram Air 3 car. So this car is awesome. We're going to get to it in a minute. If you go to volocars.com at any time, we have a few hundred collector cars for sale, and including this one will be on there with pricing, photos top to bottom, all the specs. And then we have shipping, financing, all the ways to contact us are on there. We can help you. We can answer questions, whatever it may be to get you your dream car. So, again, like I said, I'm excited. So let's take this one for a spin right now. They made them in two colors, white and blue. The blue is much more desirable. It's also more rare of the two. So I'm super excited to have a Lucerne Blue Trans Am. This is documented with Pontiac Historical Services. They made just over 1,000 of them in blue. They made like 3,000 and something Trans Ams total, so it's a rare car. It got rave reviews when they came out in 1970. They handle a little bit more like a European sports car, and they were still American muscle cars, so it was a nice combination. Paint's 15 years old on this car. Shows really, really well. You'd have to look close to find any flaws. It's got all the proper decals. They look to be in excellent shape. They did put full quarter panels on each side. They did it at the factory seams. They did an excellent job. The wheels are restored real nicely. It was optional to get the trim rings. Trans Ams came without them. This is on the paperwork. They did get the optional trim rings, so that is correct. The window seals are nice. The glass is real nice. This has the little flapper door in here that opens and closes with the gas. There's a little actuator. That's all there. It's all functional. It's not cut up like a lot of them are. The front bumper's in really great shape. From oil pan to carburetor, this is all correct. It's a correct 1970 Ram Air 3 engine. It has the correct manifolds, the Ram Air exhaust manifolds, the right carburetor, the right distributor, the right brackets. That is just as it left the factory. Although this motor is rebuilt, it's been balanced. It's got forged pistons, so the motor is strong, runs fantastic. Inside, it has a black deluxe interior. It's got new cushions, new upholstery. It's a 1 year only on the door panels. All the plastic trim anywhere through the interior is real nice. The dash is beautiful. It's got a new formula steering wheel. Go to our website and check out the pictures underneath. Really nice. But in the trunk here, it's real nice. The light works. Has the collapsible spare, the air bottle, the jack, the rubber mat. The rubber's nice. This is a power trunk release too, by the way. Tail lights are real nice. It has the machine turned metal across the dash, has the rally gauges. This is that formula wheel. I love that steering wheel. So really nice looking car. Getting back to underneath, it's all done in the red oxide primer. It was body off the frame restored. It's got a 355 posi in the back. Gardner exhaust with the right tips on the back. So really nice. Go to our website. You'll see the pictures underneath. Interior lights are working. It's got quartz movement in the clock. It's got a factory AM/FM radio. But down in the console, they did install a stereo, and nothing was cut or damaged to install that. That can come out if you didn't want it for some reason. The little flapper on the shaker hood's opening. This car is just too cool. This is just an awesome, awesome piece. Headliner's excellent. Overhead light works. This car does come with a pile of paperwork, documentation. Like I mentioned, the Pontiac Historical papers, receipts for a lot of the work that's been done to it. A little bit of history of the car. There is a folder that will come with it. This is a really nice car. Fun car to drive. These handle. really well. Like I said earlier, a little bit like a sports car. But yeah, it's got that muscle car sound and engine. So there you have it. Visit volocars.com. You'll get all the specs and pricing. Don't hesitate to contact us. We'd be more than happy to answer questions, send you more pictures, whatever we can do for you. These cars don't stick around a long time, so if you like it, don't delay. Thanks for watching.